Hello, thank you for watching my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to utilize your Thanksgiving leftovers by making Thanksgiving inspired stuffed baked potatoes. Please check out the link down below on how to make the stuffing video. Wash, rinse, dry, and poke your potatoes. Then place them in a preheated oven at 450 degrees. Cook them for 25 minutes, then coat them with extra virgin olive oil and seasonings. Generously season them with salt and black pepper. Place them back in the oven and cook until done. It'll take roughly 20 minutes depending on the size of your potatoes. Prepare your leftover turkey by cutting it into cubes. And don't forget to feed the Brothos. Add some fresh herbs if you have it. I'm using sage and thyme. Let's get the gravy going. First, we need to make a roux. Roux consists of melted butter and flour. You want to stir it and cook it until it's a light brown color and has the consistency of wet sand. Add your broth, then bring up the temperature, stirring constantly to break up the chunks. You want to bring it up to a simmer, and unfortunately I lost my footage of where I added the turkey and herbs. Add more broth to get your desired consistency. Don't forget your hot seeds. Add in a little Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. On low heat, simmer it down until you reach your desired consistency. Cut the potatoes almost in half, then smash the ends towards each other. Look at that stuffing. Add some stuffing to each potato. Then add the turkey and gravy mixture. Add a little chopped parsley for color and flavor. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.